Etiquette and manners are the hallmarks of civilized society, encompassing the social norms and behaviors that guide our interactions and relationships with others. These principles form the bedrock of graciousness, respect, and consideration for one another. By adhering to etiquette, we demonstrate our understanding of the importance of politeness, tact, and empathy, ultimately fostering harmonious and positive environments. Etiquette encompasses a range of practices, from simple courtesies like saying please and thank you, to more elaborate protocols observed in formal settings. It teaches us the art of proper introductions, the value of maintaining eye contact during conversations, and the art of active listening. By practicing good etiquette, we create an atmosphere of inclusivity where everyone feels valued and heard. Manners, on the other hand, go beyond rules and guidelines. They reflect our inner character and define our personal integrity. Manners guide our behavior in various contexts, such as dining, communication, and social gatherings. They remind us to chew with our mouths closed, to offer a helping hand, and to use appropriate language and tone. Manners act as a moral compass, reminding us to treat others with kindness, compassion, and fairness. Embracing etiquette and manners fosters a sense of community and respect, transcending cultural and societal boundaries. These principles enable individuals to navigate social situations with ease, enhance professional relationships, and build lasting connections. Moreover, they contribute to a harmonious coexistence, fostering understanding and empathy among diverse groups. In conclusion, etiquette and manners are not mere formalities, but rather essential elements of civilized conduct. By practicing them, we cultivate an environment of mutual respect, consideration, and harmony. Embracing these principles allows us to navigate social interactions with grace, forge meaningful connections, and contribute to the betterment of society as a whole.